Hello everybody, welcome to my workbench again. Welcome to part 3 of our project, our regen 40 and 80 meters. And you can see our coil, we've discussed that already, our transformers, our speaker, our tuning capacitor, and our entrance for the antenna, and our valve that we're going to use. Anyway guys, I did some sawing and some bending, and I did saw those two parts at 25 centimeters. That's about 10 inches I suppose. And what I'm going to do next is to put them into place in here and rivet them down. My riveting tool. I will drill some holes. I will connect them together, see how I can support the corners. I don't know if that is necessary. If I have to do that, I will. And then fitting all the other parts as we go. Okay. So I will shut down the camera for a moment and we'll drill those little holes. Rivet them into place. Well, I'll probably do that on camera. I can do it on camera actually. I'll take this one away and get a piece of wood. Let's see, look. So I don't drill in my workbench. I'll put that on here. Get my drill. Okay. That's all up. Put them into place. That will do nicely. I'll take my drill and drill a hole. Hey, hold on. My drill is not that tight. I'll do it again. Hold on a second. There we go. Here's through. Get one of those rivets. Get this out of the way. Put them in there. And then pull that tight. There we go. And there we go. That's the first one. Keep this straight. Yeah. And that was. Hold on, let's pull them out. I'm going to pull them out a bit. Put them back in. Get it really tight and it goes into place. Okay, yep. That's the first one. Beautifully tight. So get the other one in. See, it is quite easily to do, but you just have to think about it a bit. So get this into place. Get that flush with the side. There we go. Right. So make sure that you get it flush. And the other side. That's fine. Up again. Well, you know now how you can do this. There you go. See if you can see everything. I'll take this away from you. So you can see you have your box actually to put everything on. Then you can add, for instance, this piece of aluminum sheet. I cut it to size, put them in front of it and rivet them down, and then you can put your potentiometer or whatever you can put on your speaker and so on you can put on there. So it's actually quite easy to do. What I could do next, and I will do that off camera, because I think I wanted to reinforce those corners. I don't think it is necessary, but I will do it anyway. So there you go, that is your box, and there's where your transformer. Yeah, just put them there so that you can see where we go with this. Have a look. Well, that could be just that way or that way, that really matter. So I put my valve there, for instance, and you put everything into place, and in front you get this or whatever. Just for an example, I'll show you that, but there again, there's not like a set that is the position they are in. So I just want to show you that there's room enough on this frame to put everything into place. There's the potentiometers and the how do you call this, the tickler. The tickler will be on there, the volume control will be on there. So anyway guys, you can see exactly where we're going with this. So I will shut down the camera now and proceed with winding this transformer. So I want to bore you with that, so I have to take that all apart and put that wire on there, but it's sufficient thick enough to give the amps what I need for that valve. I also consider another little valve. I have to think about that. I'll show you that one. Hold on. Yeah, there it is. There's our other little valve. We can use EC92 so as a triode to prevent to get the high frequency onto the antenna. We can do that as well. So we have to put this little valve extra to this added to it, and then we can also eliminate RF onto the antenna. So you can do that as well. So it's not that difficult to do. The only thing is that this antenna coil was underneath here, will be connected to VR, and then via cathode will be amplified. The antenna signal will be amplified via cathode and come on to this antenna wire binding, and that will function. So you have your volume control, and you have your input from your signal from the antenna. You can control that, and then you have your tickler, okay, and of course the our capacitor here, tuning capacitor also. So it will be a nice sight if you do it properly and you do it nicely. And it looks nice and it works very well. So anyway guys, I'll shut down and we'll continue with my project, and you can use this as an example to make this. You can also do a baking scale or something like that, but you can use that. You have a frame, a static frame. In the earlier years they used that for that kind of thing, and yeah, then you can follow along. But I have to say this again, if you follow along, this is alright with me, but you do that all on your own risk, okay? So I will see you later in our next part.